When you first open SOLIDWORKS, you are greeted by the welcome screen. This is the main hub from where you can create parts, assemblies and drawings, or open any recent documents. The welcome screen is activated by pressing the Home button. The Learn tab contains various tutorials to help you learn how to use SOLIDWORKS step by step, at your own pace. You can create a new part document from the welcome screen or with the button on the menu bar. The user interface is split up into 6 main areas: the menu toolbar, the command manager, graphics area, the task pane, the feature manager tree, and the heads-up toolbar. A status bar also runs along the bottom of the window. Let's explore each of these areas. The menu toolbar contains basic commands including New, Open, Save, File Properties, and the cog that opens the system options. Hovering over the SOLIDWORKS logo displays a larger, familiar menu. This contains all the commands and tools SOLIDWORKS has to offer. Use the pin at the end of the menu to keep it open at all times. The command manager contains different tools based on the modelling environment you are in and which tab you've selected. This is the main area to use when selecting different tools to model within SOLIDWORKS. Tabs can be hidden or shown by right-clicking on the tabs and ticking or unticking the tab name. If you can't see a command or tool you're looking for, then type the name into the search bar and SOLIDWORKS will show you where it is when you click on the eye. The graphics area is the main viewing area. This is where you can see and interact with your models. You can select faces, edges and points on a model by clicking with the left mouse button. Move the model around by clicking and holding the scroll wheel as you move the mouse, and zoom in or out by using the scroll wheel. The feature manager tree, or feature tree, is on the left-hand side of the window, and this contains a chronological history of your model. This is one of the most important areas in SOLIDWORKS, as you can see how a model is made and edit or change any sketches and features you create. The feature tree changes to the property manager whenever you edit or add a feature. The task pane on the right-hand side of the window contains a selection of tools, including the design library and file browser. We can also access and apply appearances from the Appearance tab. You can hide and show the task pane by right-clicking on the command manager and selecting or deselecting the task pane from the toolbar's drop-down menu. The heads-up toolbar at the top of the graphics area contains view commands to allow us to orientate our model easily and gives quick access to appearances. To make modelling in SOLIDWORKS as easy as possible, we recommend making the graphics area as large as possible, keeping the feature tree on the left-hand side, hide the task pane out on the right, and only have the tabs you will need for that model on the command manager. This will become more important as you get used to using SOLIDWORKS.